In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change number of games in MyLeague 2K25. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the length of the season, which essentially allows you to play more games or less games in MyLeague. So all that you have to do is go over to the My NBA menu, go into My NBA or MyLeague, and you will be able to start by going over to your specific save file. When you choose any save file available in here, you will see the setup options. So you have plenty of options available for you to manage, and what you have to do under setup options is to press the toggle button or any other button displayed here to open the option list. When you go to the option list, you will be able to set up customize simple settings. So you only need to change this in order to alter the season length. You can also enable advanced settings, but for this video, I'm simply going to tell you to enable this one, which has the option that we are looking for, but enable the advanced one if you wish to alter other options. Once this option has been enabled, you will now have the option to change simple settings during the setup flow. So now, on the simple setup, the very second option that you will see here is going to be season length. So you don't even have to scroll down. It's going to be available right under autosave. Now you can change the number of games. You can choose between 14, 29, 58, and 82. And it is super simple to do. So just go to your save file, access the simple setup settings, and once you enable simple setup before the match, you will be able to change it here, season length. Change other settings as well if you want to, quarter length, simulating quarter length, and so on. And once you change all of these other options, they will also be saved alongside the number of games. I hope I was able to help you on how to change number of games in MyLeague 2K25. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.